ETON, Eaton Pharmaceuticals, in an AK filing says on December 27th submitted NDA response for its dehydrated alcohol injection product candidate to the FDA. That's Echo Tango Oscar November. That's from an AK filing. SPH, Suburban Propane Partners, to acquire renewable natural gas production assets from Equilibrium Capital. That's Sandy Papa Hotel, SPH.
Lucy still pretty perky, rotated, and TB, etc. Dips PRPB, right idea there.
One minute to the U.S. market open.
Morning, good morning. Jag, Shastina, AJ. Good morning. Good. Here we go. Good morning. Good luck.
Good morning.
Oh, my button wasn't lighting up.
There you go, people. PDD long. I'm out.
Nice one, Jag.
Thank you. I screwed it up a little bit, but because my my added 8440 was supposed to be a half cover. It worked out, so it's okay.
Yeah, it just kept going.
Yeah.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.2% after the open. S&P 500 up 0.21%. NASDAQ up 0.13%.
AMD is fine.
Dial. I was like, where's my...
An AMD short.
SPY moving a little bit.
Yeah.
CVNA up. Kala working out of it, Amyolo.
AMD just drops right to my average. I just, oh, I don't want to go there. Look at the SPY. SPY's going crazy.
Rent go gago. Carrot.
That's why I said, damn, I got in there twice on that move up.
Some. They break even.
SPY even had the power to at least go through the high from yesterday temporarily.
I'm out.
Nice move down for you.
Yeah. If I had more shares, I probably would have left a little trail on. I just don't like AMD. I don't know why I trade it.
CGC and TB.
Yeah, no. Don't trade anything worthwhile, Tim.
Negative, sir. Scrolling through a bunch of charts, I've only put one in my short checker, air checker. Even
I
that
guess I
one
should've
was
shorted-
debatable.
I guess I should have shorted PDD at the top. Then dropped $2.
Wow. Yeah, back to
And it's not a lot of volume and a lot of stuff right now.
Coming up at 10, pending home sales for November. Minus 0.8% expected. I also attend the Richmond Manufacturing Index for December, expecting minus 10.
Or it's moving up, but there's no volume and it's SSR. It's very jumpy.
AALA, Cala Pharmaceuticals resuming after a circuit breaker halt, $7.70 behind. Kilo Alpha, Lima Alpha.
You have shorts on Kala, K-A-L-A?
Sure did. I know Brian has been messing with that long. I'm assuming it's earnings. It looks like it from yesterday.
Yeah.
It'd be hard not to try to jump in it right here, though.
Yeah.
It's not even a low floater, I'd say. I mean,
No, it's at 73, but who knows if it's got to be a decent chunk, even if it's not that. It is a pharmaceutical, so.
Kala Trails.
oh, wow. It's a 1 mil float.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want that then. Not, I can even take
Kala
it.
1M float BTW.
Kala.
Not 73.
They have FDA acceptance of IND application for KPI 012 treatment of PCED, whatever that is. I guess that's a good thing.
Yeah. Oh, it fake halted.
Yeah. So that's going to be a runner. I think.
Yeah, probably, since it's holding up over 8. If it wasn't going to try to go higher, it would have pretty much died right away.
Yeah. You would think. I think, but I'm not going to do it.
That has to do with something with your eyeballs. Your
Tesla's on the scanner. What's up with that?
Wow, look at the run that's making.
I still can't believe it's SSR.
Gets easier every day when you keep losing 10, 20 bucks a day.
That's true. It's just that it's Tesla, you know? You don't think of that being that there.
He's really, and the funny part is it has nothing to do with Tesla itself.
No.
It's just the hole that Elon's dug himself. Watching GLYC. A little lower volume, but could be.
Moving up.
GLYC up.
Devin left us already? Sure.
He just has everybody home, so he's been.
Oh, that's true. It was driving me crazy.
Or not LOL. In.
WB's making a run, low volume, but it's up a decent chunk.
Yeah. Quick move up through 20 would be sweet.
Be happy with 1960. I didn't get it though. It was too fast for me.
SMRT up.
Yes, 1960 would have been great. Oh well.
Ala's getting propped pretty hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, that WB, that thing tanked it.
Yeah. I was so close. It just happened too fast. I wanted it 1960. Things happen.
Morning, Mother. How was vacation?
MIA's on the scanner. I haven't seen that thing in a while.
One?
JMIA, it's not worth looking at.
Oh, yeah, I had that one up earlier. I thought the same thing. I was like, oh, I haven't played you in a while.
Shares of Tesla near the highs, $115, up about 5.25%. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
Charlie's struggling for things to say already.
What?
Said Charlie struggling for things to say already. Random
Yeah.
mention of Tesla.
Tal looks like crap. Roku? No. Well, maybe it got back up to 39.90s.
Shares of Kala Pharmaceuticals, KALA, off the highs now, $8.69, up 122%. Kilo Alpha, Lima Alpha, after the FDA accepting the company's application to start their trial for the treatment of PCED. That's Kilo Alpha, Lima Alpha.
TTO019K. Sad face. Watch it go. Prob.
Morning, Johnny.
Nvidia's making a run. Back up near high day though.
Or plenty, but met.
You have anything on COSM?
CLSN?
COSM.
Oh, COSM.
COSM
No.
up.
No, we didn't have any when it made the run the other day. Yeah.
But
Oh, we actually do have. It says we have 36,000. I would assumed we didn't have any because we didn't have any the other day when it made the move.
GLYC dollar.
I don't have any. It's SSR too, so that makes it soft too.
Yeah.
I just is giving all and everything and raised back.
I see that.
Anybody looking at anything interesting? These choppy, freaking crappy markets are not my bag.
No, I took 2 trades that I normally don't take. I traded A and B.
I saw 'em, and I was like, yeah. And that's kind of why I left the room. I'm like, this is gonna give me FOMO, and I don't want these.
Yeah, so
It isn't my jam.
I should have shorted PDD.
PDD for a short would have been lovely, but I mean,
Yep.
it didn't really set up right. I mean, I was watching it, dude. I didn't like it to the long side, and it didn't really trigger me to the short. Kind of watching it down here, see what it wants to do.
Order
Deal up.
cancelled.
Haven't taken a trade, dude, in 2 days in a row, man.
Nothing looks through.
I tried to
Should
get
be
filled
still
on
the best
COSM.
trading of the year.
I had order at 555. I swear I saw 555 on the ask for a split second, and I think it was me.
Probably
Oh
was.
my god.
But I didn't get filled.
You
And
think
it
it was
dropped
you
right
trying to
after.
fill yourself?
Well, no, I had 100 shares on the offer. I just think it's spready, so I think that I was just the next
I
person in
gotcha.
line, but then nobody hit it.
Nobody
It would have been nice if they did.
loved you.
I was thinking because the haul price was 559 at the time, but we're
What's up,
running
Tuesday?
low on shares. COSM, COSM.
Oh, I thought you said that Kala. I was like, I looked at that one. There's no shares on that one, huh?
I was gonna take small risk there, just seeing if we could get the pop back down towards 5. Now I don't want it.
SSR and all
Yeah,
that
well
fun
now we're
stuff.
running out of shares more so. We had 30, like 35K, now we only got 23K. They were holding up, so I was like, I'll give it a quick shot. And then I'm good now.
Some days I gotta like quiet the room and try to actually see if I see something, you know, because like I get distracted by what people are saying in the room or doing.
Yeah, see
But then
that
when I look at
time.
it, I'm like,
Oh,
I
sorry.
don't see anything.
Yeah, see that time it went from 50 to 57. Skipped 55. It was me.
That's awesome.
You made it.
Kind of watching PDD down here, but geez, it needs to do something of recovery status to get me interested.
Guess I should have left my order there.
I had JD up at the bell, but dude, the volume wasn't there and it just dove. And I'm like, I just can't trade those.
Coming up, the Richmond Manufacturing Index at about 9:59 a.m. at -10 expected, and then pending home sales at 10 for November, -0.8%
Watch
expected.
this Cosm. Freaking slammed my finger in the gate like 2 days ago, and I think my fingernails gonna fall off, so that's lovely.
Turning black.
And it's all messed up right now.
PRRR Gorilla Technology halted on a circuit breaker.
Kinda
No
feels
genius,
funky,
but
like it's separating.
no genius, but I don't think you should do that.
Romeo.
Yeah, it wasn't intentional, believe it or not.
His butler was off for the day.
This what it feels like.
Yeah, don't you usually call your gardener up to come get them to open the gate for you?
Yes, they come and open gates for me. I wish, man. I want one day. I'll let you know when I got
COSM
that
dollar
happen,
dollar.
It's coming.
Hoo
We just
at
need to get this
Diego.
Biden guy out of here, I think.
We're sure we got a couple years.
Is he still alive? I haven't heard much about him.
Oh, he's on vacation until like
Is
the
he?
2nd of January.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know how
I've
you
been quiet lately.
Hey, whatever. There's nothing really important to really be watching.
Is he really on vacation or he just saying random stuff?
He is. Not that we would know.
Okay.
Yes, he is on vacation.
Not that we would know either way, because it doesn't really make a difference. That's funny, man.
Yeah, I want to
Alright, what do I think about this piece
change
of
that
poo?
button.
That's what I think. Oh, dude. The PDD short would have been great, but dude, it just didn't make the move that I would have wanted to see it make. I wasn't watching that one either, but until you called it out, so I had no plan on it. That's why I took you off, because I'm like, I kind of want to short it, but I'm like, it needs to be somewhere else, you know, like,
Well,
I didn't like where it was.
I originally wanted to short it, and then I missed the short.
Path.
But then I said, okay, it's going to bounce back up. It's PDD in the morning. So I said, okay, let's go down.
Guessing you went small on that one because it's PDD in the morning.
Yes, definitely. And I added by accident.
There's still that dilemma of it's PDD in the morning.
Yes, there's always that.
It's like that can move fast, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, all at
Yeah.
once. Ah, this JD, man. I'm still watching this one because I think it has room down to 55-ish, 55.50, which is $2 away. So if this could set up for me, that would be fantastic.
If Pat can get a little hint of volume in here, it'd get interesting.
What stock?
Path, PATH. Make another big candle. I think we could do all right.
One day, dude, I'm just gonna start taking trades right out the bell like a madman.
Welcome to the jungle.
We've got one
Richmond
days.
Manufacturing Index plus
My name's Devin, and I trade the bell.
in December versus -9 in November. -10 was the consensus. That's the Richmond Manufacturing Index.
The bell is truly the jungle, man.
Yeah.
It's so wild at the bell.
Coming up, pending home sales.
Yesterday, the volume died off so hard, so early.
Pending home sales -4.
Now only if it.
For November, -4%.
I think they would let you do.
Consensus was -0.8%.
Nope.
Different.
S&P futures seeing a small pop.
A push till 12.50, it will be nice path.
Could be going.
What's that?
Path.
BRRR
Does
resuming.
it have volume? Do I want to look at it?
1.5 right now.
What's the price of it?
It's low.
What price is it at?
12.
12.
Let's all look at it. Just trying to see if it's even worth my eyes.
PGY 510.
Kind of how I feel about it right now.
Yeah.
I think that's how we all feel about it right now.
I'm just looking at potential.
All these freaking off the bottom BS, whoppity plop stuff.
It's all about potential.
You know what I was thinking,
Like
Devin?
Billy.
To combat your negative Nancy style when we say we have something up. You know how, and I didn't mean that in a bad way. I was being funny.
I know.
You know how
I didn't
people
think
do like pre-market research and they get a bunch of tickers like yourself to have up for the day, you know, just to be ready.
that. Yeah.
Well, you know, when we bring something up like path, that's
You're just
essentially what we
getting ready.
did.
I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. Yeah,
So shut the
dude,
fuck
that's
up.
what we're looking at.
No, I'm just kidding.
It's just nothing yet.
No, I
That's
get it.
nothing for you
Yeah.
right now.
Oh, bro, I'm long my whole account waiting for the short. Just kidding, not financial advice.
Yeah.
You should have that scrolling along the bottom.
I
Just kidding,
do.
Not financial advice.
Oh wait, did that what happened to that? I thought I had that up. Yeah, I got rid of it.
Scrolling.
I used to have a little spinner thing that said it was it's day
Remember
trading
him?
is risky, blah 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 blah.
Yeah, it's gone.
I probably
No
should put
longer
that back
think
up.
day
Huh?
trading's risky, and I want to make millions of dollars following your advice.
I have a disclaimer somewhere. Hold on.
Yeah, it's in your like description thing. It's in there.
Yeah, I know I have one in there too. I just put one up on the live stream as well. I probably should hit that more often.
Where's it on the live stream? I don't see it.
It should have just popped up for like 10-15 seconds.
Oh, maybe it did. I didn't see it.
Or does it just like pop up
Hey, I was
periodically?
gonna do some of them.
I never watched the live stream. It's too much to do.
GRRR, Gorilla Technology, hitting more new highs now, $6.39, up 46%.
A firm could be interesting.
That's Golf Romeo.
Or could
Golf
get it-
Romeo. Golf Romeo.
what he said?
It is grrr.
It's
Wouldn't it be
gonna halt.
funny if that's what he said?
That's what it is. It just halted.
Grrr.
I don't have any shares.
No, we don't need.
Everybody look at
GRR
grrr.
halted again
It's
at the
up at
highs.
78,000
Romeo,
volume.
Romeo, Romeo.
Golf Romeo, Romeo, Romeo.
I was over 9.
Yeah, that thing's getting manipulated hard.
It looks awful though.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to do with that.
I'll start doing something. Not really. Doesn't look good.
Well,
Like,
so far today is exactly how I expected yesterday to be as well. I wasn't expecting yesterday to actually get trades.
if you got what 4 yesterday?
Yeah, technically. Should have only been 3. Because I went long by accident on the one.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, just like I did.
Yeah. Yeah, I went back and looked at the orders, and that's exactly what happened. Because they all executed at the exact same time, like down to the second.
Yep. Like, gotcha.
Yeah, pretty much.
PDD still dying. There's just nowhere to go in that. I guess if I'm starting to jump to
Nice one,
12.70.
AJ, on Cosm. I tried to get in that, but I didn't want a chance running out of shares, so I was being a little iffy with it. I wanted to change something else in here.
I jumped in short PDD, man.
You are?
No, I'm right through this level, dude. It's like such a chase, but it did go below a level. I don't know really what to do with this. I guess just write it down. Took off a tiny bit there.
Heating up some pulled pork for lunch if anybody wants some.
I'm on my way. Maybe
You can keep,
What's up?
so you can keep that COVID pulled pork.
Oh, bro, I slow heat it in a pan, mixing some barbecue sauce. Dude, it's just as good, if not, I'll just say just as good. I'm not gonna say if not better, but it's just as good as the day it came off.
I'd imagine
Anybody
it's
wants to
a little
watch
better by now.
Grrr. for fun. It's about to open. And yeah, I think today, to be completely honest, is the first day I feel like 100% normal.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like even yesterday, I still didn't. I woke up today and I didn't get any sleep per usual, but definitely feel normal.
GRR resuming trade now over
Golf,
$7.
Romeo, Romeo. Well, it's pretty easy when you only need like 30,000 volume to do it.
That's true. That is true. We could have made a pretty penny.
Yeah, this is the third halt, and it's got 127,000 total. 28.
How long when it opens up again? Imbalance is 855.
Debating on taking PDD off for a little win.
And shares halted at the high, $7.
But it keeps falling, so I'm just gonna let it go.
Path gearing up for a possible move. I'd want to see like a big move up through 1250 though.
I'm taking this off. Alright, I'm a lot of that. I believe there's gonna be a bounce there.
What were you at?
Holy crap, people, I traded.
That was a decent win for you too, wasn't it?
What'd you trade?
That was not PDD.
PDD.
Okay. You get in for the 8250 break?
I got in because it broke through a level of 82.28.
Okay.
And it was kind of like, I'm like, it's a little extended, but once it goes through that level, you never know what it's going to do. And it dropped. It's probably still going to drop more, and it's going to irritate me, but like it is now. So thank you. I'm going to go pee. I'll be back.
Like nothing. COSM just died. Well, it didn't die, but it went back almost to 5. It's no GER.
I'm pretty sure the Santa Rally has officially been canceled.
Yeah, I think it died before it started.
I think we can assume that that is just not starting. Starting December of 2023.
Yeah, maybe then. GER's gonna open up soon. 30 seconds. 40 seconds.
You guys really watching this GER?
I'm going long, man.
Oh man, this freaking PDD is gonna die super hard, dude.
Path cut.
I would just like to see a rebound of sorts.
It's open.
GRR
Grr.
resuming now $7.98.
Should have longed it.
$8.21 now.
Maybe
Shows up about
Whoa.
Have you?
the high.
That'd be a negative goes right.
Romeo.
So that, I guess I shouldn't have longed it. I think I didn't. Damn.
$6.30.
I guess
up.
hers done. The hell of a drop. It was like 825 to 675
cents.
all.
I would like to see PDD at 82.20s again, and I would short it.
5 cents.
I just needed to move 80 cents upward.
I could
50.
easily do it in
70.
like a blink of an eye.
I know, if it does it, dude, I am definitely game. I just,
Oh no, it's going to keep heading straight down. So we got to listen to you cry all freaking day.
No, I'm not crying.
So I just checked the.
Don't project your own feelings of not getting a trade on me. Okay.
I just checked the halt price theory that we had on this GER, and it doesn't apply. They like widened it for that last one.
Yeah, because I mean that was a hell of a drop.
Well, yeah, but so it opened at 750,
Yeah.
but then
One second.
it closed down at 675. So that's 75 cents. But if you go to the previous halt, it opened at 659 and halted up at 725, which is, I mean, that's close, but it's what? No, it's not even close. Oh yeah, it is. It's 71 cents or 70. I'm doing math wrong here. Be 41 and 25, so 66 cents or 61 cents.
Close, I guess. It just looks a lot bigger.
Yeah, but the theory is that it would always be the same.
Yeah.
Because it goes based off of yesterday's something yada yada. Because remember, like the ones that were like 50 cents and now they're $2, but they're halting every 10 cents.
Yeah.
Was there a halt theory created?
Yeah,
What, a week or so ago, but it apparently doesn't.
well, it works on some of them, but some it doesn't. It's I don't get it. So the theory was they determine how big of a move, in cents, which is usually a percentage from yesterday's range, to determine what the halt price would be for that day, and then it would just be used the entire day, regardless of how high the price gets or how low the price goes.
Gotcha.
So like if it was 50 cents for the first halt, it would be 50 cents again when it opens, and then 50 cents again if it halts again and then reopens, etc.
Okay.
Which I guess this last
So
one could have
It's always
been
going to be 50 cents?
right.
No,
Yeah.
that
So
can't be, because sometimes when stocks go like crazy, they widen. We've seen
well,
that.
that's what we thought. But there was a couple tickers like back-to-back days that were halted. They went from like 50 cents to like $4. I forget the name of the ticker, but it was halting like every 13 cents over and over again. And it did it.
Was that like $3-4?
Yes, yeah, and it did it like
That's weird.
for most of the day.
Because I've seen them widen. Like I know for fact that I've seen a ticker like holding often And then as it got more expensive, it widened. I've seen this.
So the
happen.
theory for it widening is if it stays unhalted long enough as
Okay.
yeah, so like when a new bar opens up, the price can move with it. And that's the part that we
As
don't
it starts to make moves more normal, less just sporadic, it then widens.
correct. But the range of the halt should always be the same. It's just it will move based off of where and that's the part that I don't understand is the like how is it determining where to move to? Is it based off of the last
Coming
price
up
of a
at
candle?
10:30, Dallas Fed Services revenues for December, and Texas service sector
Because there
outlook
was
for December. That's coming up at 10:30 Eastern time.
there was also a thing where like I was counting it, like I figured out that it was like every like 25 seconds, but then like it halted, and then the next time it changed, it was like every 40 seconds it would change, and then sometimes it would be sporadic. So it was like I was trying to find like the system behind it, but I can't seem to figure it out.
Gotcha.
But so when this opens, is the imbalance at 650 Jag for you on GER?
Yeah.
Okay.
It should open in 5 seconds.
Yeah, so if it opens at 650, it should be 575 area for the bottom halt. It's 589. And it opened at 654. So it's pretty close. So maybe on that one where it was 75 cents, it moved a little bit. Because that was 65 cents there, and on the previous one, it was 65 cents. So it must be 65 cents. But that's the thing is now we don't know when it moves. Like, see, it already moved the 573 by 701, but why?
God, I feel like I'm gonna crap my pants.
It's kind of cool though, because if you know that it's 65 cents and you're in something that moves like super fast, if you know the imbalance, you could essentially like top tick an order if it shoots up and back down, kind of like it did there when it opened and went up to 821.
It might go up and halt. Or is it going to play?
Hey, God. What's your AFRM doing? Weren't you looking at that earlier, Jag?
Yeah, I haven't looked at it since.
Ugh.
Looks like crap.
When you look at it, that's what it makes you do. It makes you go, "Ugh."
That's why I stopped looking.
Dude, so many painful looking charts. Saddens my heart. And this is that market that you just got to survive. Like PDD, I cannot keep shorting it down here. It needed to rebound.
PGY4K.
It's just going to keep dying.
It probably is, but I just didn't get in high enough to justify holding it. I didn't take a big enough share size, you know. Tis what it is. So definitely because it's got room down to like 78.50, which is pretty far away. God, what a freaking bloody looking suck, huh?
Yeah.
All right, come on, pop hard. Up to $82. Only $1.20 away. You can do it.
CNN hopefully does something today.
Is there news on PDD today that I missed?
Let me see. I haven't looked.
Because this is a crazy drop on it.
This looks like continuation from the fake out yesterday.
And an hour ago, our strong financial prospects, the force that is driving the momentum in PDD, in Canudo, whatever the fuck it is.
Well, they're not driving momentum in anymore. It has reversed.
So I don't know.
I can't short it down here, dude. It's literally down like on a 5 minute, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars in a row. I can't take the shorts, man.
There's no fun, more fun to watch anymore.
Nothing. Oh, SPY just kind of did something funky.
Back, low day.
God, every chart just is falling apart, dude. Today, that day that we just slowly drip out on everything.
Later, AJ.
Dude. That's a tough one. Like, if I was in heavier on something like PDD, I would have held some of it, but the fact that I just didn't get in earlier and wasn't in heavy makes it
Yep,
hard
at
to
10:30, the Dallas Fed Services revenues for December and Texas services sector outlook for December.
hold a piece. What you watching, Jag?
Absolutely nothing.
Everything's just falling apart.
Mm-hmm.
Billy, LI, PDD, JD.
Dallas Fed Services Sector Index of General Business Activity outlook minus 19.8 in December versus minus 11 in November. Texas Service Sector Revenue Index minus 0.6 in December versus 5.5 in November.
I have shorts on CANO. It's not even worth looking at.
Once again, Dallas Fed Texas Services Sector Index of General Business Activity outlook minus 19.8 in December versus minus 11 in November.
Jesus.
Dallas Fed Texas Service Sector Revenue Index minus 0.6 in December versus 5.5
Dude, the level
in
from
November.
some of this stuff has dipped down is kind of wacky.
I know.
With no bounces, you know?
Yeah.
0 bounce. Dude, just look at Billy. I mean, just straight down. Billy, PDD, LI, AD. There was opportunity.
Twitter only has 2,000 employees left.
Are you kidding?
Oh, that's what this article says.
God, dude. What you thinking, Jag?
EDD, I think, is dead.
Yeah.
Like just permanently?
Yeah, I think it's just dead.
That's everything. Look at JD. Let's see if LI is still heading straight down. LI, all these charts are just going straight down, dude. I look stupid on a PDD now, but I mean, Jesus.
How do you?
How do you expect it to keep doing this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting hungry.
Look at PDD, bro.
I was thinking maybe if it pops to 79.50, maybe.
This is bananas, dude.
That's why, like ones like this, I don't know how you take them because it drives me. Can't
Tall
do it.
swing, dollar.
And I need a level. You can take him through levels. Which I did, but it's hard to, I kind of thought
Dang
because it
son,
was so
LOL.
extended as it broke that level that I'd get a pop to it. And no, I'm looking at this. He's just going to the next one, 78.42. The next level there in PDD. I guess we're just gonna go to that. With no pops, no recovery, no sign of life. Moral of the story is I gotta believe in what I'm seeing, and
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. I guess you hold, put your stop back at break even, and say fuck it.
Thomas, you around?
Hmm?
Thomas around?
I'm bouncing in and out.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I can hear Devin crying still.
I have not cried once.
Look at PDD.
Dude, it's even Tim was like, "Holy crap! Look at it, it's dead." It's kind of hard not to look at that and be like, "Whoa." That's a pretty insane
I should pull a
move.
Tesla on it and just start longing it. Watch it die even more.
Let's see how far down it can go. Tim Long it. That's crazy, huh?
I mean, looking at the daily, 73, 72, 73. Maybe not today, but where it looks like it
there's
could
really
go to.
no support. I mean, maybe 73.60s, possibly 72.60s, somewhere in there. Maybe the previous resistance where it opened up. Today was the day on these, I guess. Dude, look at LI. You keep thinking that's gonna bounce too, and then it says, I'm just going straight down too. I'm just talking about bounce.
Yeah, I'm good.
We don't bounce. We just go down.
What, a 50-cent bounce for PDD? Is that what it ended up being?
Just not enough to
No, but
Not enough to try to short it. No. Still so damn extended. Good.
like here, it could go all the way back up. What it's doing.
Good. Alright, boys and girls. See you guys tomorrow.
Later.
No.
Is that where we're at? DT making millions trading the marquetas?
Uh-huh. Made 2 trades in the morning, I'm done.
Nice.
And Gurr just fake halted.
Halted?
Grr.
Grrr.
Oh look, PDD's bouncing. I should have longed it.
It was at such a clear level. That's sarcasm, because it was not. Yeah, I feel like I'm back a little bit today at least. Yesterday I didn't feel it here, dude. I'm just I couldn't get my focus on.
You got people, a lot of people working around your house too, don't you?
Yeah, whole family's here. I think it's partially that. The 3 days off, I was tired because I haven't been on my normal sleep schedule because the kids are here every day. It was like such a mixture yesterday. And that was like the longest 3-day weekend I think I've ever experienced. And because the ex went to Iran to get a facelift or whatever, I've had my child like all the time.
When's she coming back?
I believe is it the first. Let me see. I think she comes back on the second. Comes back on the second. God, I'm getting a taste of what it's like to have children all the time. Man, it's busy.
You hate it?
I'm like, man, I like my breaks. It's funny, like you just get used to it, you know. The kids go to the other parent's house for the weekend, and you get a weekend off. You get a week off here and there. And he kind of like refreshes you, you know, to have that time.
Yeah.
When that time's gone, you're like, holy cow, where's my break time? I don't know what to do. The bad thing is, I think, because I have my kids, like, you know, half the time, or my oldest is gone, but, you know, the youngest one. I think when I have her, I can be on the whole time because, like, you know, then I don't have her half the time where I can just not be on, like, in that kid zone. So when I have them, like, the whole time, they expect you to be on the whole time, and I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah,
I can't be on the whole time. Like, I need half time. We're finally falling into like a schedule a week and a half in where she's like, okay, he needs time to rest. Because kids have like no downtime. They just go all the time.
Yes.
You know this, Jack. You have them around you 24/7.
Yes.
Oh God, I just had a weird pain in my side. I'm gonna live.
I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I'll be back.
Yeah, grab something for me too.
Okay. You guys have fun.
Later, dude. You got anything to watch, Timmy?
Just the pulled pork that I'm heating up.
Nice.
I'm debating on putting it in a salad or not. Or just eating it by itself.
That's weird. Like, I don't think I do like pork and pulled pork when I eat it, but I never want to have it. Like I only have it if it's there. You know, if somebody else has it there for some reason. I will never order pork products. I don't know why. Or buy them to cook. In my head, I say, I don't want pork products. But then when it's there, I'm like, this is good.
I love
don't
pork.
know why that is. I like pork too. I never cook it, never get it out on my own. I'll always get chicken or beef. I'm not going to get pork. Kind of hungry. I think I'm gonna go make some breakfast real fast. And we don't really have shares in that SMMT either, Froggo. If we do, it's not a lot. I can't. I see 20K. I'll be back. I'm gonna make some food.
Me as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off the stream. I'm gonna make my lunch and stuff. I'll be in the Discord afterwards. Still looking to trade until about 12. No trades today. We're not lucky like we got yesterday and had a few to actually trade, but hopefully tomorrow or maybe the rest of today will be better. And until then, appreciate you being here. See you then. Peace. I just turned it off.
You're always good at picking gifts.